Let's try making E. For the first E, the simple thing that you're doing is making an entrance loop and then making a curve like this over it. And of course, we will be shading the downstroke area, that is this particular part. For next, try making a curve like this and making an E. Of course, only downstroke areas are doubled, so you can do it like this. First make it a little thin, then you can thicken it up if you wish to. So this is how we make E. Then for F we will make, for F try to make this and this equal, then it looks more better. We are starting with an entrance loop. Then another loop, almost equal, and then I take it like this. And you know we had just had one downstroke here, and we will just fill this downstroke. These ascending loops are really helpful, like in this also. Then in F also we use ascending loops. Here also we use an ascending loop in B. So remember about these loops when you are making. It will become a little more easier for you. Then you can make it in simple continuation like we do. Again, just covering the downstroke area. So you can make F like this. So let us start making G. For making G, firstly we make an entrance loop. After making the entrance loop, we make an oval, and then we will be making a descending loop. Don't confuse between descending and ascending, because then you will get confused with the shading part. And with a simple loop, and we just take it like this. Then keeping in mind the simple rules that we are going to be doing it, shading on the right and shading the downstroke. So you can just take your pencil and see where already you do the downstrokes. One was here and the second one was here. Try to make your downstrokes parallel, just the way I am doing. You don't have to shade the upstrokes at all. They have to be light with very thin pressure, very less pressure. You will just shade these. Like you can see now, this is looking a little abrupt, so it should not look like this. Just make sure that the lines look even. Now it's looking perfect. Now I'm going to make another type of G using a sketch pen now. Same way, no difference in the beginning. An entrance stroke, then an oval. Then from here we are going to be taking a descender loop. And after the descending loop, we will just curve it like this. You can curve it anyways. You're just going to be creating a different calligraphic impact. Then just shading the right side and trying to keep it parallel. Now as you know, we went up and we came down here. So where we came down, from there we will just shade the part. And that is how our G is made. Now let's make H. H is again made by two different types. One is where we will be taking this loop, that is the ascending loop, with an entrance stroke that is a little curved. So first we make a curved entrance curve like this, which is a little twisted. Then we take the ascending loop, then we make the edge part with a upturn. I've used this upturn here. Then we will just be darkening the downstrokes we do it. If you feel it is too big, you can surely do it a little inside to make it more even. That is how I make it. Now I'm going to be making an edge using a pen, in which I'm simply not taking the entrance loop, directly taking the loop over here, the ascending loop, with an extension, then making an edge that is just an upturn, the way we did. You can still create a lot of variations in this. On the right hand side, just covering the down strokes. Trying to keep it as parallel as possible, so you can see. Next we will be making eye. So for making eye, first is a very simple one, a direct entrance loop and an upturn. Upturn is going to be downstroke, so that has to be darkened. Just like this, and the dot on the top. For the second one, just a twisted little curved entrance loop and the upturn. The upturn is going to be again shaded. So you can create it as thick or as thin you want.